book, Unit 10, Unit Rate and Percent, Concept 10.3, Understand Percent. Exploring percent definition. The percentage is a relative value that determines the equivalent number of hundredths of any quantity, or its ratio whose second term is 100. It's definition about percent. You can know this definition. It's a ratio whose second term is 100. Okay, what about the percentage? It's a ratio whose second term is 100. It's a ratio whose second term is 100. It's a ratio whose second term is 100. Such that if we put here 25 over 100, it will be 25%. We called it 25%. Then it will be what percent? 25%. Or we can write 36 over 100, it will be 36%. We can convert from this percent to decimal number by put the point after two places. It will be 0.3 and 6. We called 36 hundredths. Its meaning 36 thousandths. And we can write 3600 in the simplest form by divided by 4 numerator and denominator. You can divide it by 4 here. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. And for 100 divided by 4, it will be 25. Then, in the simplest fraction, and we have in the decimal form 0.36. Okay, then we called it percentage. The percentage is the ratio whose second term is 100. Understood? It's a percentage. Now we will solve examples about this. Look at this table. We have 10 times 10 equal 100. You can convert the ratio between red and blue, count and find the simplest form and convert to the simplest. I will solve examples here. This table, okay, I will solve this table with you. Okay, then you must pay attention about steps. First, we have 1 over 4. We want to convert 1 over 4 here. Convert denominator 100, write 1 over 4, product by 25 numerator and denominators, and the result will be 25 over 100. It's the first result here in this table. And we want to write in the decimal, then the point will be after two places. It will be 0.25. It's decimal form, okay? And what about percentage? 25 over 100, it will be 25%. Okay, understood? It's the result number. We have 25%, solve this example, and we have 80%. You can convert from this percent to fractions and write in numerator 100, write 80 over 100, and then you can write in the simplest fraction by divided by 10, first step, and the result 8 over 10. Next step, you can divide it by 2, it will be 4 over 5, simplest fraction. Then we have 80% equal 80 over 100 equal 4 over 5, and you can write here decimal numbers will be 0.8 decimal number, and you can write this ratio 4 to 5. It's the ratio. And what about 36%? You can write 36 over 100, and then you can simply divide it by 4 numerator and denominator to write the simplest fraction divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 100 divided by 4 equal 25. And then you can write 36 hundredths. Now we will complete this quiz here. Page 67. Match equivalent. First, we must convert each one of them to percent. What about 3 over 4? 3 over 4 we can convert to percentage by product by 25 numerator and numerator, because 4 times 25 equal 100 and 3 times 24, 3 times 25, 3 times 5 equal 15, 5 and the carry of 1, 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7, then the result will be 75 over 100. It will be 75%. And what about letter B? We must convert 2 over 5 by product by 20 numerator and denominator. 5 times 20 equal 100 and 2 times 20 equal 400. 2 times 20 equal 40, 40 over 100 equal 40%. Product by 20 numerator and denominator. Next, 2, question letter C, we have 2 and 3 over 8, product by 125 numerator and denominator, right? 2, 8 times 125 equal 1000, 3 times 5 equal 15, 5 and the carry of 1, 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7, 3 times 1 equals 3, then the result will be 2.375. Okay. And we must convert these fractions to percentage. Convert this number by product by 100. Okay, divided this number, you can divide this number by 10 and then write percentage. Or this number 2.375, product by 100 or percentage. Product by 100, then we must move the point right hand side by 2 places, write 237.5%. Move the point right hand side by 2 places. And what about 1? 1 it will be 100%. 1 over 8. Convert to percentage. We know 1 over 8 product by numerator and numerator by 125. To convert this number to decimal, it will be 125 over 1000, then the result will be 125 thousandths. This number convert to percentage, then we must write 125 thousandth multiplication by 100 or percent. To convert this number as percent, product by 100, and then you must move the point right hand side by 2 places. It will be 12.5. Then we have 12.5%. Understood? Next question. Question letter C. We want to convert 1.36 in the ratio here in the simplest form. We know 1.36 it will be 136 over 100, and then you can divide this number by 4 numerator and denominator. 100 divided by 4 equal 25. 13 divided by 4 equal 3 and the remainder 1. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Then the result will be 34 over 25. And then you can sample it, write 25. And 34 divided by 25 equal 1. And the remainder, find the difference between them. 34 minus 25, it will be 9. And the result will be 1 and 9 over 25. Question number 3. Galal eats 7 over 20 of pizza. Represent the fraction of what Galal eats into present. Okay, this ratio here we must convert from this fraction to percentage. 7 over 20. We must convert denominator by product by 5 numerator and denominator. 7 times 5 equals 35 and 20 times 5 equals 100. Then the point here must be after 2 places. It will be 35 hundredths. That was question number 3. Question number 4. Ahmed covered 65% of his way home. convert the percentage into fractions. Okay, we must convert 65% the fraction, right? 65 over 100 and then divided by 5, numerator and numerator 100 divided by 5 equal 20, and 6 divided by 5 equal 1, and the remainder 1. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. The result will be 13 over 20. Next, lesson 8 and 10, using models to find the part, whole, and percentage.